Creemos que las empresas pueden ser grandes aliadas para prevenir la violencia contra las mujeres. Muchas de ellas ya han iniciado acciones que son catalogadas como buenas prácticas para enfrentar la violencia contra las mujeres, pero no saben si realmente están siendo eficaces para erradicar la violencia. Nuestra propuesta es un modelo de evaluación que por una parte va a medir la prevalencia de violencia contra las mujeres, tanto a la que deriva de la ejercida por la pareja o expareja, también por los trabajadores, compañeros de trabajo y por los jefes. Esta propuesta es importante porque, en primer lugar, va a dar continuidad y sostenibilidad a las medidas que están tomando las empresas que están comprometidas. En segundo lugar, puede servir para los organismos e instituciones que valoran el logro de estas empresas. Y en tercer lugar, atraerá a muchas otras empresas que en este momento no están comprometidas con la violencia contra la mujer.
Violence against women doesn't stop with crime reporting. Therefore, we are working in partnership with police in Peru in order to reduce intimate partner violence, specifically with the home visits program. Our research has two objectives. The first is to give gender-based violence training directed to police in order to attack and address sexist culture. Our second objective is to vary the frequency of home visit program based on the risk of future aggressions. With this research, we hope to inform public policies in order so they can be based on evidence. We hope also that this could lead to a series of protocols to escalate the program nationally.
We have found out that comprehensive sexuality education works for preventing gender-based violence, and now I want to find out more how it works. What are the mechanisms that makes young people between ages 14 and 18 to change their attitudes and behaviors towards their partners? What is nice is that the local NGO that is implementing this project in Mexico is part of an international federation that is all over the world. Last year, only in Latin America, we reached around 1.2 million young people with comprehensive sexuality education, so that's what we are aiming for.
It's a research project that aims at understanding more about how do youth in Jordan formulate or develop their attitudes toward gender inequity and sexual gender-based violence. We aim to benefit from our results in informing our interventions and programs on how to develop relevant and evidence-based interventions that will alleviate or minimize the scope of the problem in Jordan.
What is clear from our research is that there's a need for culture-wide learning and dispelling myths about healthy relationships, identifying danger signs, and helping women with obtaining immediate support. And so in the United States, a digital app called My Plan has been developed for women to circumvent these barriers and connecting them with services and planning safety efficiently and confidentially. So our project is aimed at adapting the My Plan to Kyrgyz context and figuring out how to get it into women's hands in a place where there's really been no precedent for the use of tools like this one. So we'll work with our key partners from the government, civil society, and the business sector to support women and help frontline professionals as well as policymakers to professionalize their services as part of our broader agenda for women's empowerment, safety, and health.